to our video. Today we will share about vegan mushroom stroganoff. This plant-based recipe takes the rich and creamy essence of traditional beef stroganoff and transforms it into a cruelty-free masterpiece. Let's dive into the video. Wait! Before starting the vegan meal plan video, I introduce you with alpha-lean, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 12 Oz S3, 140-gram mushrooms, sliced, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 cup vegetable broth, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Cooked pasta or rice in a skillet. Sauté the mushrooms, onion, and garlic until mushrooms are browned. Sprinkle flour over the mushrooms and stir to coat. Slowly add vegetable broth, almond milk, soy sauce, and paprika, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens. Season with salt and pepper, then serve over cooked pasta or rice. For more vegan recipes, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.